Hi, Elaine here with WTI. Are you looking to upgrade your utensil holder? Well, this fine specimen by Essentra Home is just what I needed. I love the elegance of the marble design. Its wispy pattern is ever so soft. This holder's heavier than it looks, and it's unbelievably sturdy. Did you see the shimmer? I love it. I appreciate the little rubber feet protecting my counter. And out with the old and in with the new classy elegance that Essentra Home provides. So keep your kitchen counters looking beautiful with this elegant utensil holder by Essentra Home. It also comes in a circular style and the black mat. Treat yourself to this wonderful utensil holder by Essentra Home and you will love it. I highly recommend it, and that's just my point of view.